If you're an Indian student, researcher, or journalist in the US, your visa just got a deadline. For decades, F1 and J1 visas let you stay as long as your program lasted, but now DHS wants to impose hard caps 4 years for Indian students and just 240 days for Indian media professionals. Even the grace period for students is being cut from 60 days to 30. That means your PhD timeline, your OPT, or even switching programs midway could all be disrupted. The Trump administration's proposed rule ends duration of status, which has been in place since the 1970s. DHS claims this change is to curb visa abuse. But for Indians, it could mean chaos. Think about it. Many PhD programs take 5 or 6 years. Students from India may simply not finish in time. Indian journalists covering US politics may lose the ability to stay through an election cycle. Research scholars might be forced to abandon projects before completion. Universities with huge Indian enrollments like NYU, Purdue, and Georgia Tech are already raising alarms. Student groups call it academic exile, and one journalist put it bluntly, 240 days? Try covering a US election in that. These rules aren't just abstract. They directly hit the futures of thousands of Indian nationals. If you're on an F1, talk to your DSO, prepare for extensions, and track deadlines. Journalists should confirm assignments fit the time limits. And most importantly, submit your public comment to DHS before September 29th. Indian families spend lakhs to send their kids here. And now the government wants to cut their time short. If this proposal affects you, drop your visa type and city in the comments. Subscribe for updates that keep you prepared, not panicked.